When it comes to improving the exterior of your home, one of the most impactful and cost-effective upgrades you can make is replacing your doors. Whether it's the front door, a patio slider, or even a garage door, upgrading to a new style can instantly boost your home's curb appeal in Mesa, making it more inviting and visually appealing to visitors and potential buyers. Let's take a look at how door replacement can enhance your home's overall aesthetic and value. First impressions matter. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. It's the first thing people notice when they approach your house, and it sets the tone for what's inside. A worn-out or outdated door can detract from your home's curb appeal, while a new, stylish front door can make an immediate positive impression. A beautiful door instantly adds character and style to your home's exterior, making it stand out on your block. Whether you opt for a traditional wooden door, a modern fiberglass design, or a sleek, contemporary steel door, there are countless styles to choose from that can complement your home's design and architectural style. Improve the energy efficiency of your home. In Mesa, where summers can be scorching, energy efficiency is an important consideration. Older doors, especially those that are poorly insulated or have been exposed to the elements for years, may allow drafts into your home, leading to higher cooling costs. By replacing your front door, patio doors, or garage doors with energy-efficient models, you can create a more comfortable living environment and lower your energy bills. Newer doors come equipped with improved insulation materials and advanced sealing technologies, which can help regulate the temperature inside your home, making it cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This is a subtle but valuable enhancement to your home that contributes not only to curb appeal but also to your home's long-term functionality. Increased security and peace of mind. Another important benefit of door replacement is the added security it offers. Older doors and frames are more prone to wear and damage, making them easier to break into. A new door, particularly one made of steel or a solid wood construction, provides a much stronger barrier against intruders. Many modern doors also come with advanced locking systems that provide enhanced security. By upgrading to a new door, you're not only improving your home's curb appeal, but you're also ensuring your home is safer for you and your family. Customization and personalization. One of the most exciting aspects of replacing your door is the ability to customize it to your exact tastes. Whether you want a sleek and modern look, a charming rustic design, or a bold and vibrant color, there are endless options to choose from when selecting a new door. You can choose materials, colors, and finishes that align with your style and preferences. Custom doors also allow you to add personal touches such as decorative glass panels, unique hardware, or stylish side lights that further elevate your home's curb appeal. In Mesa, where the desert landscape and the city's rich cultural heritage influence home designs, choosing a door that complements the natural environment can make a significant visual impact. A thoughtfully selected door can enhance the overall aesthetic of your home and make it feel more cohesive with its surroundings. Increased property value. If you're thinking of selling your home in the near future, door replacement can have a direct impact on your property's value. Curb appeal is a major factor for homebuyers, and a beautifully replaced door can make your home more attractive and increase its perceived value. Many buyers are drawn to homes that look well maintained from the outside, and a new, stylish door can make your home stand out in a competitive market. A door replacement is a relatively low-cost investment that can yield a high return, especially when you factor in the long-term benefits it brings in terms of aesthetics, energy savings, and security. Low maintenance and durability. Newer doors are built to withstand the elements better than older models. In Mesa's climate, which can be hot and dry, doors made of durable materials like fiberglass, steel, or vinyl require less maintenance than traditional wood doors. These materials are resistant to fading, cracking, or warping, meaning they will continue to look beautiful and function effectively for many years to come. Choosing low-maintenance doors means you can spend less time and money on upkeep and enjoy more time appreciating the enhanced curb appeal of your home. Conclusion: replacing your doors is one of the easiest ways to enhance your home's curb appeal in Mesa. Whether you're looking to make a statement with a new front door, increase energy efficiency, improve security, or add a touch of personalization, the right door can elevate your home's look and feel. With so many styles and materials to choose from, a door replacement can reflect your personality while boosting your home's overall value. Don't overlook this simple upgrade. A new door can completely transform the exterior of your home, making it more attractive and inviting.